Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to enable or disable comments on post in Divi theme in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in post. Now you see comment. So we are going to enable or disable. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see Divi, and then you see theme option. So click on it. Now Divi theme options open, and then you see multiple option, and then you see layout. So click on it, and in layout you see multiple option, and then you see show comments on post, and then you see currently enable. So disable it, and then click on save changes. Now settings saved. Go to post page and refresh the page. Now you see comment is hide. Back to theme option. If you want to enable it, so click on it. Now enable and click on save changes. Now settings saved. Go to post page and refresh the page. Now again you see comments. Back to theme option. So we are in single post layout. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.